The next step in our project is to create the logout.php page. Create a new document and save the file as logout.php in your perfect cup directory. Now insert the following block of code. Here we've cleared each session that we'd initially created, and this is done using the unset function. So the login session variable fname and lname are all cleared. Once they're cleared, we redirect the user back to the index.php page. We also pass along a variable called logout with the value set to true, and you'll see why we do this in just a moment. Make sure you save any changes you've made to this file and open your index.php page. We want to create an alert notifying the user that they've been successfully logged out of the system, and I'll show you an example on the completed website. This is the message we want to display, and you'll see that it's positioned directly underneath the address. Here is the variable logout with the value set to true. Okay, so in order to do this, you're going to insert the following block of code directly under the address. Here we first check to see if the variable logout is contained within our URL using the get method. If the variable is found, we check to see if the value of the logout variable is equal to true. And if the value is equal to true, we display our alert message stating that the user has been logged out of the system. Okay, so I'm just going to test this out now. I'm going to refresh the blog.php page. So now it's asking me to log in, and I'll just log in using one of the test accounts. So we've been authenticated, and it says welcome Jobo, and here's the logout link. So I'm going to click logout, and you can see that we have been logged out, and here's the success message. I'll try to go back to the blog just to verify that we have been logged out. So it did work because now it's asking me to log back in. And so at this point you can go ahead and test out the login function.